Thanks for joining us on Good Day State Line. Dr. Shah always has the dental solutions we need, and today's solution is called All on 4. Hi, ladies.
Hi. Hello.
Thanks so much for coming in. So we have Dr. Shah and Lisa Davis from Chapco and Shah. Why don't you introduce yourselves?
So I'm Dr. Shah. I've been practicing dentistry for 6 years, and this is Lisa, our office manager.
I'm Lisa. I'm the practice manager at Chapco and Shah Modern Dentistry.
So today you came in to tell us about All on 4 arch implant restoration.
Yes.
Which is a really long phrase.
It is. It's easier than you think. Actually, the surgery is probably easier than the phrase itself.
So tell me a little bit about it.
Absolutely. So very often we see people that tend to hide behind their hand because they're so embarrassed of their teeth. A lot of times people do their best to take care of their teeth, but whether it is their genetics or just lack of awareness, they tend to have teeth that have just completely fallen apart. We call it terminal dentition, meaning that they're past saving. So what do you do at that point? Do you really want to go to a full denture? The thing about the new technology is now we have all on 4s, which are much better solution than a regular denture. So here I have 2 models for comparison.
Okay.
I can name 100 reasons why you should get an all on 4 over a regular denture, but let's just talk about the 3 main things, okay? This right here is a regular denture, and this right here is an all on 4.
Okay, so this is the regular one.
Yep.
The whiter teeth are...
Yeah, and that's, you know, we won't even talk about the whiteness of the teeth because you really get to pick the shade. But just starting with the functionality of it, when you talk about a regular denture versus an all-on-4, the thing about the all-on-4 is you get to eat and taste everything.
Okay.
The thing with regular dentures is that they move around, so you can't eat, you know, like let's say you want to bite into a carrot and apple. It's not the same with this as it is with this because this is fixed. The other difference is that, you know, as you can see, this covers your whole palate. So when you're covering your palate, you're covering a lot of your taste buds. It's not the same when you're eating foods. And you know, everyone likes to eat, regardless of what age you are, and you want to taste your food. So when you don't have that and you've got a slim prosthesis as such, it makes your lifestyle much better.
So these are like dentures that, you know, my grandparents, I've seen them. I remember the first time I saw my grandparents' like teeth in the bathroom when I went
sitting
to
in
bed,
a bowl.
and I was like, what is that? And that's the
Exactly.
whole thing. But do these not come out at night?
These do not come out. So that's one of the points that I want to actually touch on, but I'll come back to that one. The second point that I wanted to point out is that when you have regular dentures, there's nothing that stabilizes your bone. So you're constantly losing bone at a regular level, and when that happens, your dentures start to get loose. Then you start to see your grandparents put a whole bunch of goop in there trying to keep it in place. Now you're worried, are my teeth even going to stay while I'm talking, while I'm eating, things like that. You don't have to worry about this because these are screwed in. They're not going anywhere. They're not going to move. They're not going to get loose on you. Literally, the only way you can take them out is if I took them out for you.
Just you.
So, yep, exactly. Just me. I have the authority to do so. So that is a huge difference.
Absolutely.
And then obviously, you know, just a little extra thing is that if you were to have a hot date, nobody will know that you have fake teeth because you're not going to take them out at night because these, you have to take them out at night. So
right,
you know what?
you have to.
They won't know. You can just disguise. So.
I honestly didn't even know that there were dentures that didn't come out.
Yep. So that's one of the biggest benefits of having an all-on-4.
How long have these been around?
They've actually been around for quite a while. They've done more and more research on it. We now actually term them as all-on-X, meaning that it's not necessarily always 4. It is based on the amount of bone that you have and what is needed for your case to stabilize something as such. So you might get 4 implants, you might get 6 implants. It just all depends on what's available and what's right for you.
So we have some before and afters because obviously you want to see what's going to happen when you get the all-on-4. So this is...
And you can see how dramatic they can actually really be.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't even believe that was the same person, except you're telling me it is.
Yeah, it's a much, much better way to replace missing teeth.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, and they all look, so great because you get to decide what color they are.
Exactly.
And they're all shaped perfectly before they go in, and then like you said, you just get to look like that all the time, no matter what. You wake up in the middle of the night, someone's surprising you, it's exciting,
Hey,
and you look
your
great.
fire alarm goes off, you can still walk out and not have to worry about the fact that your teeth are on the counter.
That's absolutely true. So Lisa,
Absolutely.
quickly, you're here to tell us how do you provide such affordable care?
Yeah, so that's such a great question. So one of the main concerns with patients is cost. So at Chapco & Shah Modern Dentistry, we work with some of the largest insurance companies, dental insurance companies, as well as the financial institutions to make sure that this is something that's achievable for our patients. We have great practice. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. We have great doctors in the practice that teach other dentists how to perform these surgeries as well, so our patients can feel confident in the treatment, as well as the fact that we're going to make this achievable for them financially.
Awesome. Well, those are both great reasons to stop by and see you. It's chapcoandshaw.com, and of course, we can find
Absolutely.
you both beautiful ladies on Facebook too. We have all your info up there. Thank you so much for coming in and bringing your teeth.
Thank you.
National Fossil Day is October 13th, and coming up next, Michelle Markham heads to Rockford's #1 place to find them, the Burpee Museum. Later on in the show, tasty treats from Sugar Britches. We'll be right back with more Good Day Stateline.